I didn't take not one picture today.
You say you want to take a picture here, over there?
I want to take a lot.
I'll drop it. He's gonna wiggle, so you gotta drop it. You gotta hold him real tight. There you go, right there.
Oh! I'm holding it. I want to pet it. What's the deal, YouTube? Today, we finna go to the lake, baby favorite lake, at Kennington Park.
Look at my butterfly dress. Tropical today. We at a hotel right now.
I have to tell you. Turning
Why
around,
you gotta tell them every location we're at? You don't gotta tell them.
That's hotel, the telly.
I don't know what that means.
The telly, the hotel.
But anyways, we've been here for 2 days.
Hey, shoot.
Can you stop? Or what if I drop my phone? I'll cry. Anyway, so we about to start our day. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. I did not know it was 2 o'clock. I thought it was like 12. Half the day is gone, but we're going to still do what we can. And it's bright and sunny today, so perfect day to be out.
Let's go have fun.
Yeah, I want to be out in the sun today. I don't want to be closed in like he want to be a caveman every day. Stop hitting me before I kick you. That's what's going on, y'all. Just keep up with us, because I don't even know what to say. So y'all make sure y'all like this video.
Like and subscribe.
Y'all know y'all be liking our...
love that we get from our baby, man.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I hope y'all can hear us through this wind, because it's kind of windy. But what was I about to say? Oh yeah, because y'all be liking our little vlogs. So y'all make sure y'all like this video and show some support. But other than that, we about to start our day, and see y'all in the next clip.
A few moments later.
We finally made it to the park that baby been wanting to go to for forever.
Literally forever. We finally here. I'm too excited.
Let's check it out.
Wait, don't forget your mask. Which one is mine? This one's mine. Got lipstick on it. Please don't make me mad like you did last time when we came to this park. I was so mad. That's so freaking embarrassing. Look how... this is so cute. Pose for the thumbnail. Oh, we need to go by the waterfall.
Come on,
They
guys.
don't know how long I've been wanting to come here. Like, this is like a dream come true right now.
A magical place.
I'm so happy right now.
Go sit at that bench.
There's ducks over there. I'm scared of them. They be chasing people. My sister got chased by a duck at this park before.
Did you get me slide down?
Nope.
Give me again.
Come on now, guy. He is so ridiculous. Our son is gonna be dealing with a mess. I don't even think they can hear us with these masks on.
Probably not.
Well, the girl, she be putting the words for us.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we need to shout out the girl who edited our videos.
I mean, shout out the girl that got a new editing girl. Get y'all nature up, man. Kennington Park. Kennington Park.
Why you gotta tell them our location every time we do a video?
Because what if they want to come here themselves and be beautiful like us?
Don't drop my phone in that. Stop playing with my phone. Look at the waterfall. I want to go over there and take a picture by it.
A waterfall?
You see the waterfall?
You want to walk around? We could walk around.
But I want to take a picture though.
How many pictures do you want to take?
I didn't take not one picture today.
You say you want to take a picture here, over there?
I want to take a lot.
I'm not the photographer, bro.
Yes, you are today.
No. Take a picture of me. I want to take a picture.
Okay, I will. After you take one of me.
We need a photographer.
I have a photographer, but he's too scared to come outside in Corona times like a freaking weirdo. That's why I'm gonna get a new one.
The Henry guy? Shout out Henry, man. He real fly.
He's been my photographer for like a year, but he too paranoid to come outside. I don't got time for that. There's stuff to be done. I got my maternity pictures coming up, baby shower.
Look at these ducks setting sail, man. Bro, this is not about you, bro. No. No,
me?
I'm not taking boomerangs and photos. We're out here enjoying nature. This is nature. So you need to walk around in ooh and ah.
I want them to see me in my butterfly dress.
They saw you. You look beautiful. You look beautiful.
But they... Oh my God.
We could take it towards the end.
It's gonna be dark.
It's not. We're gonna soak up the nature first, bro. Nature. Look at all this nature.
I hate wearing a mask. It's messing my lipstick up.
Somebody.
Don't get too close to him.
Somebody. It looked like his neck broke.
Stop!
I want to pet it.
No! I'm scared. Play with them ducks before they really bite you.
Before they bite me. They not gonna bite me, bro. It's a duck.
So?
I'm 5 times bigger than a duck, bro.
Catching people with their beaks.
Oh, look at this little turtle.
That's fake.
That's a real turtle, bro. That's a real turtle.
Nope.
Oh, God, that's a turtle. That nigga was on shore, girl. I hope I got that on video because I was just looking at it. I wasn't.
I thought that was a fake turtle.
My nigga was real on shore getting some sun.
This is too much nature for me. I don't like this.
I love this, bro.
I don't like
Nah, you the one who wanted to come,
That's
so now
fine.
we're gonna be
I
here.
didn't know it was this much animals over here. Stop going by it.
These pigeons bold.
I didn't come dressed for animals.
Oh, you thought you was gonna be up here all cute, huh? Nope.
I didn't come. I feel like a bird is gonna boo on me, and I'm. Look at him sleeping.
It's his home. We in their domain, bro. Come on.
Why you
I'm trying to find another turtle.
By the animals.
I just want to find another turtle, bro. Oh my God. Oh my.
This too much for me.
It looked like they was coming straight towards us. It was like 20 pigeons just came straight towards us, bro. Did y'all see that?
See, that's what you get.
Like 25 pigeons just flew straight towards us, bro. On everything. I seen that turtle on shore though, man. It looks so beautiful. It's a good day. If you look
You are
close,
hilarious.
if you listen closely, they say you can hear the coyotes singing.
What? You just made that up. These look like them panda bushes.
Bamboo trees?
Yeah.
Bamboo trees, guys.
You would have never got to experience this if it wasn't for me.
You don't even like it.
Yes, I do. I like the river. I don't like the animals. I like the.
You just wanted to come up here and take a picture. You just wanted to come up here and take a picture. You just slapped me?
Yes. I wanted to be with no animals.
Chill out, bro.
The scenery without the animals.
I can't believe we saw that turtle though, bro. You thought it was fake. My nigga was just sitting there. He went back in the water quick, like y'all not finna catch me.
I thought it was fake. Like a prop. I want you to see the other part of this park, but it's that way. It's like a Japanese garden thing. It's super cute. It's a lot of nature here.
A few moments later.
It's
You said they should what?
Y'all should come here with y'all mans.
But you didn't want me to give out the location. Like, pick one, bro. Pick one.
It's romantic here.
Very romantic.
It's
Very place to
beautiful.
hold hands and walk, you know?
It's beautiful. Look at him. Oh, he's taking it down. I was about to say he taking his big up.
So much nature.
Oh,
What's
I'm
that
gonna
pink
take a
shit?
picture on this rock.
Bro.
It's the perfect place.
Alright, hurry up.
One hour later.
You could go fishing up here.
Yeah, it's a park. I don't know.
I wonder if they stock it with fish. At some parks they stock them with fish, so like people can come and fish.
They ain't handing out no free fish.
Nah, like they put live fish in the water.
You tall. He's a tall black man. Oh, we getting close to the waterfall. That's the prettiest part. Oh, I can't wait to tell my sister I really came. She know how much I've been wanting to come. I've been asking her every day, is the park open? Is the park open? She never replied, like, so I had to come see her myself. We not even wearing our masks right, but I'm tired of these.
For real.
This too much. This park is really big, bro.
It's called Goo Lagoon.
Picnic area. That's this part.
Goo Lagoon.
That was called something else.
I feel like we in the Bikini Bottom.
I wish we had a dog.
I'm gonna ask Bro if he catches anything. So I really know how to fish.
Nobody about to go fishing, okay?
I will come up here and really fish some shit, bro. I know how to cut it and cook that shit in there.
You could take our son fishing.
Stick with me.
It's so cute. Oh, they got the same hairstyle. That's cute.
Hey, man. Me and my son gonna be just like that.
He gonna have hair and you're not.
I'll grow some hair.
I see another waterfall up there. Dang, everybody at the park today. I could have swore it was Corona times.
For real, everybody and their mama.
It looked like a regular day. Like nobody wearing a mask. Literally. We the only ones. No, don't try to take yours off.
Put yours on, bro. You gotta protect the baby. It's not about you.
Excuse me, mine is on.
Put it over your nose.
It's so relaxing.
It be shit like this in the nature. And the panda, the bears be coming to fish in the stream. Pick
Look
up a
at that
fish
little
real
bitty
quick.
fish he caught.
I mean, hey, bro. That's your first fish? That's your first one? Oh, is that? Oh.
That little bitty fish. I'm about to say. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
If you fall in this freaking lake, I'm gonna leave. Stop. Get. Oh my God. Can you stop? Because you don't know if those are loose. Yeah. So embarrassing. Oh my God. So embarrassing. He said he caught a fish over there. Marquise. Why are we going over there? You don't. No.
Back up.
I'm not going over there.
Why?
Why are we going over there?
I want to look at the fish. Look at people gathering around.
Over fish?
Bro, come on, bro.
I'm not going over there.
Let me go over there. I'll be right back.
Oh my God.
Let's go see this fish, yo. She boo-boo. Big boo-boo. I'm finna become a pro fisherman, man. Let's check out this fish, man. What kind of fish is that, man?
Largemouth bass.
Can I hold it?
Sure, but let me give him some air real quick.
That's so cool. You ever fished up here before?
Yeah.
Do you always catch stuff?
Sometimes, yeah.
Oh!
Somebody.
Yeah,
He needs some milk.
That's cool, man. Yeah, I would love to.
Okay.
I don't know how to hold no fish though.
This is what you gotta do. You gotta grip his mouth right here. See this?
Right there?
You gotta grip it real tight.
Okay.
Real tight. Don't let him go. Don't let him drop. You know, hold it from the middle.
Hold it from the middle?
Right here.
Right.
Hold it right here from the back. So no, you gotta grip it. Grip it real tight. Don't drop it. He's gonna wiggle, so you gotta drop it. You gotta hold him real tight. There you go, right there.
Oh!
Right there.
Ah, I'm holding it. Yay, look at it. Here you go, man. I got some fishing poles at the house. We gotta put them to use. Sarah gonna be so mad at me when I told her I held that fish. So what? Look how mad. Look how mad she finna be right now. Watch. Hey, he let me hold it.
Yeah, I see.
You saw?
Only you would go over there and touch a fish, which are nasty hands.
It wasn't even nasty.
Don't touch me today.
Don't touch you.
Like, why did you have to be the one to be holding the fish?
I'm gonna come up here and fish. Bet.
I'm not touching that hand. I see you touching that fish. Where else do you like to go?
I don't know. To explore more nature. I wish that guy wish he caught a fish like that. Look at other niggas starting to fish now. Yeah. Sunny days. Everybody has them.
You don't even know it's that way. Oh, I see another waterfall over there.
A waterfall? We'll hit y'all back when we get to the waterfall.
Eventually.
Look at that, bro. My nigga in there. He like, he is drinking the water. That's kind of nasty. But, you know, he's a dog.
It's so cute around.
What? What'd you say?
I said the people love my pregnant belly.
It's so cute and round.
Yeah, it's the perfect roundness. That's what my auntie told me. She said it's the perfect roundness.
It's the perfect belly.
Perfect roundness. It's a big round baby in there, that's why. Big round baby. His face gonna be circle. Like mine. Yeah.
Why are you tired?
My legs is going out.
It's time to wrap it up.
I don't know. I need to find somewhere to sit or something.
Come on, man. Let's sit over here.
No.
It's beautiful over here. Let's go over
6
here.
feet apart. I don't want to be like people I don't know.
We not over. I'm talking about like over there, right there.
Where?
Over there. We go around
How
this.
we go to the
What? The Japanese garden.
Yeah.
That's way back that way.
I'm sitting on this rock.
It's the sun. Why you want to sit in the sun?
Because I like the sun.
It's baking. I don't want to bake. That's why you tired, because you baking. Find some shade. She want to bake all day, like a sausage. She want to bake like a cake out here. Baby want to bake like a cake. You damn near fell.
I don't like bugs.
You scary.
Look, it's right there.
That's a dragonfly.
Them sting you.
No, they don't.
I heard those die every day.
They die every day.
Like at the end of the day, they die. Like they only have a day to live.
What the
What?
That's not true,
Yes,
bro.
it is.
That can't be true.
I heard that plenty of times.
They only got a day to live, bro.
Like that's the thing.
Then how are they born
Dragonflies
then,
die.
bro? How are they born
They
then?
hatch and then they die.
I've seen little dragonflies and I've seen big dragonflies. So like, are you
They
just
get
born big?
Big throughout the day,
And they get big throughout the day? No.
and then they die. This is a perfect place to be over.
You need a map. We are now at the Japanese gardens.
Yeah, so we had another part of the park that's super cute.
It's hot.
On me, it's hot. It's like 80 degrees. We don't got no water,
I'm sweating.
but I'm definitely.
But we thugging though.
I'm definitely getting a good walk in. So But we about to show you how freaking cute this is. I remember coming here with my sisters and my cousin, and it was so cute. It's big too. Like, it go far, I think. Or it's another part that we went to where it's like nothing but grass. It's like a big grass field.
So it's not this?
This is not, I don't know if this is the grass part, but I know this got like a little river and some little stuff.
You don't know what's over here, bro.
I've been here before, but it's been a minute, so. Oh, it feels good in the shade. A koi pond?
What koi fish?
I wonder if they still in there or they did.
Koi fish.
It didn't look like this last time I came.
Gotta get up on it.
Huh? I think she sees some fish. She looking pretty hard. She came just looking at nothing.
Let's go over there.
Where?
Over there. Where's she at?
These fish is so big. Look at it. There's 2 turtles right there.
Oh,
It's 2 turtles.
there go 2 more up over there.
3.
Damn, look at all them. On that side.
Don't try to go over there messing with them.
Man, I for sure want to go over there.
You just want to mess with some turtles. Oh, he heard me laughing. He moved his head. They so big. Let me zoom in. Turtle land. That's what this is.
Come on, man.
Ooh! Let me not fall.